Playing the Native American style flute has changed my life. I found the flute at the age of 13. I took piano lessons for a little while in second grade, but soon found out that it just wasn't my thing. And that really hurt me in some ways because I felt like I wanted to be musical and I wanted to be creative with music. I just didn't have the right instrument to do so. When I started, there weren't a lot of resources, but I still found a way to make music and to be creative with it, the things that I really loved. I wish, though, I had either started sooner or that I had more help and more resources. So that's what we have here. I am passionate about kids playing the flute, the Native American style flute. I think it's important to encourage the next generation of flute players to come up and to be playing the native style flute. I wish I had an accelerator. So what we've done is I've taken some resources that I've learned and we've put those into a course called Kokopelli's First Flute. It's geared for ages 8 to 14 for them to start with the native style flute. They could start a little younger. The program flute that we have is in the key of mid A. And this is a very common key in our industry. This is what the flute sounds like. So what your child or grandchild, niece, nephew, whoever you decide to share this with, what they'll be learning in this program is how to play the flute, or they're broken down into very small exercises to keep moving through them with success. And then we'll be going into things like playing up and down the basic scale, but adding articulation. We've got 4 embellishments and 4 different songs that they'll learn through this program as well. And we'll even talk about improvising, so being creative and making music on your own. That way you're not boxed in to this certain thing. The flutes themselves are made from food grade ABS plastic from a flute maker in Canada, Rich Dubé. They are, in today's world, they are sanitizable. You can even wash them in the sink with soap and water if you decide to. Our wood flutes, you cannot do that with. So these flutes are very durable. They're really great for children. So if you're interested in learning more about this program or signing up, learn more at JonnyLipfordMusic.com. We'll post a link in the description below, or you can find it on the website as well. Thanks so much. It's been a pleasure to share this with you, and I look forward to seeing you next time.